Hello friends, welcome. Today on Cooking with Claudia, I'm showing you my honey butter beer bread recipe. This is a simple homemade bread. You only need a few ingredients. It's very easy and really delicious. Let's get started. I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then I'm going to toss everything together. Once mixed in, we're going to add some wet ingredients. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of honey, 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Last, you're going to add 12 ounces of your favorite beer. The yeast in the beer is going to make the bread bake really nice and it will add flavor. Go ahead and mix everything together until very well combined. Try not to mix too much, otherwise the bread will come out tough. Once everything is mixed in, stop mixing. Okay guys? I've gone ahead and used melted butter to butter up my bread pan. I'm using a 9 by 5 inch pan. I'm going to toss the batter into the bread pan. Then I'm using my spatula to level out the top. Next, we're going to add some slices of butter on top. The butter in the bread and on top makes it so yummy. I thinly sliced 4 tablespoons of butter so I can fit it all on the top. Place this in a 375 Fahrenheit oven to bake for 45 to 50 minutes. And here it is when it's all done baking. It looks really good and it smells delicious. I baked mine for exactly 45 minutes. I like to serve this with a little spread of butter and a drizzle of honey. It's great with a cup of coffee. You could also bake this bread with cheddar cheese and serve as a side to your main dish. If you guys would like the ingredients and measurements, check the description box. I have everything there.